Even,
Okay,
oh my
so
God, you have also 14 likes.
hi everyone, I am Anushka. No, 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 just they are like one line each, that's it.
Okay, okay. That's great
And
then.
see, I'll be relating my life to like 10 quotations, which I think are really very important for an individual to understand and to cultivate all those things in ourselves. Okay, so I'm an extrovert, and we face a lot of problems. We literally face a lot of problems sometimes. So first thing is if you have the words, there's always a chance that you will find the way. If you have a thought, you have to put it in words, and you have to like say it just in, because then only you will find the way how to implement it. Then we have actions speak louder than words. You are putting your words into actions. When you when you only speak, that means nothing. But when you speak and you start implementing it, those actions have meaning. Okay? So whatever we do, then every action has a consequence. If you choose the action, you must accept the consequences. If I'm doing something, maybe 40% of people will be like happy with what I am doing, and 60% will be like commenting on. We know how social media hatred works, right? So whenever we do something, we should be ready to accept that hatred or to convert it in a positive way or a positive feedback and then work on it again. But we should not stop doing what we actually want to do, but we should convert the feedback and put it in a good way. So then is we will continue to suffer if we have an emotional reaction to everything that is said to us. If someone is saying something and I keep overthinking on it, and like I just say, oh my god, what did he say? Is it true? Is it true about me? No. If that thing is useful, only then you thought give it a thought. Give it give it some time. Okay, then this can be done or this can be done. But if that thing is meaningless, like we should leave it there. So we should not have an emotional reaction to everything that is said to us. Then we have, when we are kind to someone who is in trouble, then we should hope that they'll remember and be kind to someone else, and it will become a wildfire. See, if I'm being kind to someone and he's like, oh, she helped me like that, I'll also help some guy, I also help someone. So then he'll just go to another person, he'll spread out that kindness, and that is the thing most needed at this point of time, or you can say, because everything, with everything going on, with all the news around us and everything, we are so much focused on what is happening, we are not at all thinking about how we can give back. Like people are sitting in their houses, so you can like go out, help people who are like below poverty line, or you can say who are below you, who need help. You can just play your part first, and then yeah, you can go to the news, you can check like how many cases are there. Oh my, but you cannot take tension. You can just see, convert that into a positive. Okay, let's play my part. I'll just spread some kindness. I'll do something. I'll do something for the world. I just start an online coaching for students if they're not able to go to school or something like that, or even give some food to people who need it. So then is we should not be afraid to cut people out of our lives who are causing more harm than good. See, for me, relationships are what uh, that are really, they play a really important role, and that can be negative and positive both. So when a relationship and when you are holding on to someone, if it's causing a huge amount of harm to you or you getting hurt, you should cut that person off. Maybe you will cry for a week or 2 weeks, what actually happens. So, but you should cut all those people out who are like not able to push you for or inspire you, rather they keep you holding down. So we should cut people out who are causing negativity, who are producing negativity in our lives. Then we should learn to value ourselves, which means we should fight for our happiness. If we are looking at something and it's not beautiful, just look away. sometimes we in India have like religion issues, right? So this doesn't mean like I hate another religion. I just believe in mine. You do not have to like, okay, just be happy with what you are, with what you are given. You should not like interfere in someone else's happiness, nor let someone else interfere in yours. Your happiness becomes comes first. If it is your profession, if you're not happy with it, change it. If you want to do something, go for it. What will happen? You will fail, then you will just stand up, like Dolly said, like you fail and you rise like a phoenix. It's true. So that is what whatever you do, if that is giving you happiness, then you go for it every
Mhm.
time.
Correct.
Living one's life as if it is
Anushka,
a
Darshan here.
competition between. Yeah,
I think in the interest of time, because we have already
yeah,
stretched by
hello, hi.
15 minutes, and yeah, so if we can go little
Okay,
ahead, or if we
so
can
I
leave,
just signed up. Okay,
yeah, yeah, sure.
I have just three quotes like 8, 9, 10, and that's done.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so living one's life. So this quotation is about yeah. So this quotation is about jealousy. Like we are competing with someone who we don't even sometimes know, or like who are we should get inspired by other people, but we should never ever compete with them or get jealous by them, because that can give real real stress on your mind. And if mind is not healthy, a healthy mind and a healthy body, your body won't work. So that is what you should not compare yourself with others. You should compare yourself with your own self, and like you should be one step ahead of you, like from the previous day. Then you've got to dance like nobody's watching, love like you'll never be heard, sing like there's nobody listening, and live like it's heaven on earth. So whatever you do, do it with your full love, do it with your full heart. So last is to all those people who think like they are into too much of struggle, and on why only they are facing those issues, then they should keep striving, because God gives his hardest battles to his strongest soldiers. Yeah. So just keep fighting for what you want, keep fighting for what you really would like to achieve in your life. If you are facing many struggles, just let it be, face them. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, hi, Anushka.
Yeah.
So that's great.
Hi.
The prime purpose
Yeah.
was yes, to gain insight from you, but to give you many insights. So first, question from me:
True.
which one is the favorite out of 10 to you?
So it's the last one, that God gives his hardest or the toughest battles to his strongest soldiers. Because I
Hmm.
have like many stories, I would share like many. So Sadhvi said that we have a time slot of like 5 minutes. I was like, oh God, I have to like go fast enough to cover everything. So I was like, okay,
Yeah.
I'll just go with the thoughts and
Okay.
quotes. So yeah, I
So,
yeah.
wanted to know like couple of stories from each one of you. And in
Okay.
fact, now onwards, even uh, just like Deepak Ramola, you may have known, uh, I am
Yeah.
planning to record life lessons of each one of those who are coming, to us. But life lessons may
Hmm.
not be the complete life story, but a one life lesson which can
Okay.
impact,
Yeah.
and which is a power packed impact, like
Yeah.
something
Perfect.
happened to me, which can have a tremendous
Which
impact on
changed the
others.
whole
Yeah,
scenario. Yeah.
correct. So such kind of inputs we would like to invite, but that is a project in itself. uh, if I get enough
Okay.
volunteers to do all this recording and all that,
Sure.
we might can start, but after a couple of months.
Yeah.
In the meantime, Enrique, if you would
Yeah.
like to give some inputs to Anushka.
Yeah, Anushka, thank you for sharing those quotes and those insights. There's a couple of things that just spoke out, which is you if you have a thought, write it down and act, right? So that's the process. You have a thought, write it down, act. And I encourage everyone to do that. You never know what thought will change this world. So don't
Yeah.
think that any thought that you have is something that just just come out of thin air. The thoughts come so that you can write them and you can act on them. So just
True.
make sure they're positive thoughts, right? um, and
Yeah.
connection and consequences are so important, and we don't ever consider those things. The moment you connect with someone, there's going to be a consequence, and whether positive or negative. You have to be ready for the action you're actually doing and consider the consequences. It happens every day. As long as there are people on earth, it will continue to happen. So just be mindful on the connection piece, because we think about all consequences, but it starts at that connection piece. And emotion versus reality. We're all human. We're all going through this COVID situation. We all have fears. We all have thoughts and emotions. But there is a difference between your emotion about what's going on and the reality of what's going on. So be always
Yeah.
always be thinking of that. So thank you for sharing.